have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep or partially asleep or fully awake. Have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep, to be asleep.
It's concerning. It's frustrating. You're telling me we don't know what the hell these drones are in New Jersey are? Is that correct?
That's right.
It's crazy. I mean, that's crazy. That's madness that we don't know what these drones are.
People, including a commander for the Coast Guard, who told me that the night before, I was there last night, so 2 nights ago, one of their 47-foot vessels, boats, was trailed very closely by more than a dozen of these drones.
What is going on in New Jersey?
We're investigating, but I don't have an answer of who's responsible for that, of one or more people that are responsible for those drone flights.
Attention all southern-based aeromedical units. There are 5 to 7 drones flying at a high level over Hamilton.
Like something like right out of the Bible. Look at these. This is over New Jersey. Does that look like some sort of any kind of a drone that you've ever seen before? Well, the problem is we don't know.
History of it all.
Like, what
like,
is
are we
that?
way at the beginning?
We're seeing 3 or 4 targets. You know, they're all altitudes up and down. It's pretty crazy. There was some at 30 probably. But, I mean, they're shooting way up. We'd say maybe up to the 50s, it looks like. Is there traffic actually out about our 2 to 3 o'clock, about, I don't know, 20, 30 miles?
No, is that the 4 different lights going up and down? I'm getting a few reports, but you're seeing it right in front of you now too as well?
It's 2 to 3 o'clock off, about 2 to 3 o'clock from our position. Looks about 20 miles going in circles. No, there's one way up high and one about my altitude. Moving in like a circle, like a corkscrew pattern. Alright, I'm visually have eyes on what looks like an aircraft strobe that's at my 2 o'clock and 22 miles at my altitude, and I'm actually showing him on TCAS. Do you see that one?
And about one Lima Foxtrot, I do not.
He looks like he's moving towards, it looks like it's moving towards the north. Like I said, 22 and a half miles off my right wing. Just had another one show up about my 1 o'clock, about 1,000 feet high, zipping towards us and then back out towards the ocean. It's red in color, moving at extreme speeds. I don't even know how to describe how fast he's moving. 661 Lima Fox.
Medical Lima Fox, Roger. You are cleared to maneuver as necessary, left and right, to avoid the UFO out there.
It's weird. It's a red circular shape, and it keeps zipping out towards the ocean and then coming back in about, 20 miles or closer to us, and then it zips back out of the ocean and we can't see it.
Look, there's another. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What? What was that? You guys. I got that.
Whoa, sort of moving somewhere. Oh, what the hell? That is interesting right there. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Let's see here. They're just separated here. You got a UFO at the bottom, and you got these two separated. Wow. That's amazing, right?
Going. I think 2024 in future will be seen, ironically, as the calm before the storm. Wow. I think very early in 2025, all hell is going to break loose.
We'll do it again. What? And, oh, look at it again. What is that? It's like an airplane dropping. It's like a dropping flares or something. I don't get it. What in tarnation?
Check this thing out. Anytime I try to zoom in with my camera all the way up to the drone, this is what I get. It has a round, like, shield around it. Fucking nuts. Look, right? That's zoomed in. 100, 208. Drone right now. Up in the sky.
People understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep or partially asleep or fully awake. Have people understand that they choose. You choose to be asleep, to be asleep.